we are going to answer the question, what is the value of 1 integration from 1 to 1, the square root of 1 plus x to the fourth dx, okay? I already know the answer. It only takes half a second to solve this thing. But why can I do that? It's actually based on this idea. The area between the curve and the x-axis is written like this, okay? So one of the first properties that you can see right away is that if the area under the curve is only from a to a f of x dx, it really doesn't matter what f of x is equal to. So if I try to graph it,